If you want to showcase how many reviews a product has inside your catalog ads, here's how to do it in Marpipe. First, head to the Manage Fields tab. We're going to import the review count from Shopify so we can use it directly in our designs. Click Add Field from Shopify. Most of the time, review data lives inside meta fields, so use the search bar to find it. Look for something like rating count or review count. That's the one we want. We're going to add that and hit Save. Once it's imported, you'll see it listed in your available fields. Now, let's add it to a design. Open up your template and insert a new text layer. Then click Insert Field, select your review count, and let's add some supporting text, something like total reviews. You'll immediately see the dynamic number populate for each product. From here, you can style it however you want. We can adjust the font size, reposition it, you can make it more prominent. And here's where it gets powerful. You can also filter products based on review count. So you could theoretically create a version of your ad that only shows products with high review volume and add a badge like top rated or customer favorite, and that's it. Now your ads automatically pull real social proof straight from Shopify.